What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Apollo.io contact management and marketing tool and its different features. So once you go to their website, that's Apollo.io, you'll land on their homepage right here, where you can view some screenshots, some representations, and as well as some information about the platform and its different features. Now, as you can see, they are trusted by many big name companies. And here are the different tools that you can use on this platform. So here you can build your pipeline. You have your contact and account search. You have your scores and signals, so you can manage them. You have your inbound optimizations. You have your sales engagement. And you have some tools that can help you close deals, such as scheduled meetings and manage deals, as well as some analytics and coaching. Now you can scroll down to see more of the platform's features. And here they promise you that they are the most accurate B2B or business-to-business data management, and some statistics, as well as some more information, some numbers, statistics, and so on. Now, you can go ahead and create a new account here, but let's look at the pricing pretty quickly. So click on pricing right here. And as you can see, they have many plans to choose from. You have the free plan, which of course is free of charge, with unlimited email credits, 60 mobile credits per year, and 120 export credits per year. You have the basic plan, which is for $49, and the professional all the way to the organization plan, which is $119 per month, billed annually. And you can here compare the benefits and features of each plan to see which one is suited best for your business. One thing to note is that these prices are for annually billings. If you switch to monthly, it'll be a bit higher. Now, I'll start here with the free plan, so I can click on get started or click on sign up for free, or you can log in if you do already have an account. So I'll click on get started. I can sign up with Google or Microsoft or with email. So I'm going to go ahead here and sign up with email. Okay, so now I entered my email address. Now I'll continue to sign up for free. Now I need to verify my email here. So I'll go ahead to my inbox and verify my email. Okay, and now that I've opened my inbox and clicked on the activation email, clicked on the link in it, now I'm redirected to the wizard where I can fill my details in order to continue creating my account. So my full name and my password, so I'm going to enter them pretty quickly. Okay, now that I entered my full name and password, confirm password. And now my password is now created and I'll be redirected to my main app here. And here on this page, simply click on continue. And these are some tasks that I can complete here to earn more credits. I'll just skip them all for now. And I'm redirected to my main dashboard. So here is my homepage. This is my homepage where I can view all like my recent notifications, all my statistics, all my messages, and so on. So here, of course, this is completely blank since this is a newly created account. So I have 0 email delivered and I get some statistics and 0 calls dialed. I can view here all my messages filtered. I can filter them by status, willing to meet, follow-up questions, and many more. And here I can view my messages. I don't have any new messages. And now I can look here for the menu on the left. Here I can search for people or for business, like emails and business people. So here I have my filters. I can filter them by lists, by personas, by email status. And I also have more criteria such as job title, company, location, employee numbers, and so much more. And I have more items to choose from. Of course, some of them are locked only for the premium plans. And all of this is for people or leads that I can search for. Now I can have the same options for companies. I can search here for companies and filter my search by lists here. I can select the list. Of course, I don't have any lists created as of now. I can go to settings here to view my saved list or create a new one or create a new list from here. Let's go back to companies. I also can filter the company by account location, number of employees, industry, as well as some other criteria. Now here in the data enrichment, I can view all my data health center, the CRM services. Here I can connect to my CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot. I can view my CSV settings, my job alert, job change alert, and my APIs. And here in the sequences, I can view all my sequences, and I can view here, I can watch this video tutorial to learn more. I can create a new sequence with AI or a new sequence manually, and I can link mailbox from here. And here in the emails now, I can link a mailbox to start creating my emails. And in the calls as well, I can get started with the dialer to create calls. And here in the meetings tab, I need to connect my calendar in order to schedule my meetings and my times and all of this. In the conversations, I can view all my recent conversations and connect with meeting apps such as Zoom, Google Meets, and Microsoft Teams. I can set up my conversations now or see conversations in action if you want to. And I can always upgrade to the other plans, the paid plans, in order to get more out of the subscription. Now here I can view details, and I can view my pipeline, my deals pipeline, and I can use here Apollo as my CRM or sync with other CRM products. So if I set it up now, I can import my pipeline from another CRM or use Apollo as my CRM. So let's use Apollo. And here I can create my first pipeline. Let's name it test. And I can edit the stages names. Here I have some names that are generated: lead, sales qualified, meeting booked, negotiation, and contract sent. So these are the stages that I have. I can always edit them if I want to. Now let's go back here. And here I have my tools and workflows, such as my tasks. Of course, I don't have any task right here as of now. I can add a new task here, associate with contact, account, or deal. And I can select here the contact. Of course, I don't have any contacts right now. And here is the task title. Let's say test task. And I can change the task type if it's a call, manual email, action item, and other types of tasks that are related to LinkedIn. I can assign it to someone, set the priority, high, medium, low, and add a due date or add a description right here. And now I can create the task. Okay, let's go back. Here I have my plays. I can create a new play or see play templates. So let's see all play templates. I can set a play type here, such as ask happy customers for referrals, ask happy customers for reviews, and other types of tasks here. I can click on any one of them to try it. And here I have all the templates, and I can browse a template by type. So here are the recommended, new pipeline, security meetings, and other types. Okay, let's close this for now. And here I have all my analytics. Of course, I don't have anything to see here since I newly created account, and I do need to upgrade to professional in order to see analytics. And you also have a video tutorial to show you this step in action, or how to use the analytics and what to expect from it. Now, here I have all my integrations. I can view my integrations here. I can integrate with lots of tools such as Zoom, Google Meet to manage my meetings, Salesforce and HubSpot to manage my CRM, and other tools such as Slack, SendGrid, and others. And to connect with any of these services, simply click on connect, sign in here with your account. Okay, basics, sign in here, continue to sign in with your account here in Zoom, for example, and to continue to permissions, set permissions, and add your account to integrate Zoom with Apollo, your Apollo account. And also here I can view my calls, or instantly click to call. I need to upgrade to at least the basic plan in order to do so. Here I have all my notifications, activities, notifications, and here I can view all my account settings. So that's pretty much it. That was like a quick overview of the Apollo.io platform and its different features and benefits for your business and managing all the tasks of your business.